are discussing about the rise and the predicted fall of Netflix, how Netflix can be in deep trouble. But before that, I would like to thank Orderly for sponsoring this video. More of it at the end of the video. Netflix, currently is a huge company. It was started in early 2000 and went on to become one of the most successful companies from US. So let us start the video. But before starting Netflix business model, we have to analyze their competitors. They had a huge competitor named Blockbuster when they were just starting out. Blockbuster had a huge chain of offline stores where they were renting DVDs to people, and they were so huge that they had one offline store in every city of America. Blockbuster had this feature of late fees where they were charging a hefty amount from people who failed to give back the DVDs which they took from Blockbuster stores, and they were making huge money from this. Netflix came and solved this biggest issue. They came up with a tagline of no late fees, and they only charged $10 per month, monthly recurring fee, where people could buy any of the DVDs at dirt cheap price. Netflix was an online version of Blockbuster where people could just have to select all the movies and shows which they want on Netflix website, and it would get delivered at their doorstep within 2 to 3 days of delivery period. This was a major breakthrough for Netflix. Many people selected Netflix over Blockbuster, where people were just buying all the DVDs from Netflix without paying any late fee. And late fee was the major problem which Netflix was solving.
Go to Netflix.com, make a list of the movies you want to see, and in about one business day, you'll get 3 DVDs. Keep them as long as you want, without late fees.
And slowly, Blockbuster also understood that if we continue with this similar business plan of late fees, they would end up becoming bankrupt. So they also started their online business similar to Netflix, where people could just order their CDs by sitting at home on the Blockbuster official website, and it would get delivered to their doorstep within just few days. After a few days, Blockbuster really started competing hard with Netflix because of just one reason, which is faster delivery services. Blockbuster had a very wide range of offline store where they could deliver the CDs at a very fast pace than Netflix. 2013 was the game-changing year for Netflix, where they bought their own shows such as House of Cards, and they started their own production where they could produce a lot of movies and web shows on their platform. This created a no-brainer offer for people, because if people wanted to watch that Netflix original, they had to only buy Netflix subscription because it was not possible for Blockbuster to license it. Few years passed, and this is the year 2020, where Netflix stock has just skyrocketed. It is the most profitable company because of the lockdown. People are just sitting home watching Netflix and chilling. Now Netflix revenue grew by a huge margin in 2020, but still Netflix is in deep trouble because of the 3 major reasons. The first point is very high competition from Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime subscription starts at just $9.99 per year, whereas if we compare it to Netflix, their per month plan for all the devices starts at around 2,000 rupees per month. So Netflix is really very costly for any Indian user, and if we compare it worldwide also, Netflix subscriptions are really high as compared to Amazon Prime. Due to this very low price of Amazon Prime, it is attracting more and more customers, and there was a survey last year which said that 60% of the users preferred Amazon Prime rather than Netflix. Netflix currently has only one revenue stream, which is their subscription model, wherein Amazon has their multiple revenue systems wherein they are making profits from AWS, they have their Amazon fulfilled services, they have their Twitch platform, they have their online store, and multiple others. The second biggest issue which Netflix is facing is companies are actually pulling out content from their platform. Marvel is now shifting from Netflix to Disney Plus Hotstar. Most of the Marvel movies are now available on Disney Plus Hotstar rather than Netflix. The big giants like HBO, Disney and Marvel are saying that why we need an intermediate like Netflix to distribute our content, because they have the necessary eyeballs. What they have done is that they have made their own OTT platform, which is Disney Plus, where all the shows are available, and slowly they are pulling out content from Netflix and adding to their own OTT platform, which is Disney Plus Hotstar. Netflix might go out of content in the near future, and that's why they are heavily investing in capturing new eyeballs by the attractive series such as Netflix originals such as Sacred Games and recently they are also partnered with Kota Factory Season 2. So Netflix had to invest a lot of their money in making their own content, and sadly they have only one revenue stream through which they earn, which is the streaming services or the subscription business model, and because of that they can't really price their services as competitively as Amazon Prime. Before moving forward with the video, I would like to thank Orderly for sponsoring this video. With Orderly, you can now move your offline store to online within just few clicks. Orderly is one simple tool created especially for the local stores. Orderly makes it very much convenient for both the buyer and the seller to transact. If you have a kirana store, medical store or a fashion store, Orderly has you covered. In the app, you can just run the businesses same way as you are running it offline by just putting out products on this app. You have to make a catalog of all the products and people could just go on this app and order that product from your store. So with the help of Orderly, now you can take orders from both the sides, offline and online, depending upon where your store lies. Orderly makes it very simple to track all your orders with WhatsApp integration. Now you can directly take orders from your WhatsApp app and you can also interact with them, and customers can also send you all your orders within your WhatsApp app. So it will be very easy for you to manage your orders and all your local buyers will be visible on your WhatsApp list. The app is available for both the platforms, iOS and Android. The links are in the description to download the app. Just download it, just sign in with your WhatsApp number. It will automatically get linked to your WhatsApp business account, and just fill some basic details about your business and voila, now you can take your orders online with the help of Orderly. Now let us come back to the video. Apple has also now introduced their own streaming services at a dirt cheap price of $5 per month, and which is a huge competition for Netflix, because all the iPhones have pre-installed Apple TV services and people have to just pay $5, which includes a lot of bundled services, and I think the very attractive price makes it very convenient for users. Similar is the case with Amazon Prime. You don't just get Amazon Prime Video if you buy the Prime subscription. You get the faster delivery service, you get the free delivery option, and also you get Amazon Prime Music service. So this attractive price of Amazon Prime is really attracting more and more users, and it's really making it difficult for Netflix to compete with their competitors. Netflix currently is facing the same situation as they were facing in 2007 with Blockbuster. Before, Netflix punished Blockbuster by implementing some strategic changes in their business. Now let us see what Netflix do in future. They just need to diversify their business in many of the fields, because they can't just depend upon Netflix streaming services and their subscription based revenue model. If we consider the Netflix future plans, I think they are diversifying into many of the sectors, such as Netflix recently announced that they are entering into gaming sector. Now let us see what Netflix does to compete with such a huge brand such as Disney Plus Hotstar, Apple TV and Amazon Prime Video. I think Netflix India is particularly struggling a lot, because in India the price of the services really matter rather than shows, because here people are more attracted towards the price rather than what shows and what movies are available on the platform. So yeah guys, that was the video, and please like the video, share it among your friends. Please tell your friends about this amazing channel where I post analytical tech related videos. Please subscribe to this channel for amazing tech analytical business case studies content if you want. Also comment down on the topics which you want me to make video upon, and I will surely make it. I will make sure that I make a video on the topic which is suggested. That was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then,